Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa ICI. I'm very glad that I was invited to the ICI to share my personal knowledge on the budget process. And of course, any information about insertions on the flood control. That is the basis of my invitation. I'm glad to have shared any and all personal knowledge and information to the ICI because I want to help the ICI in its investigation. I want to support the investigation and fact-finding to resolve the issues surrounding the concerns of the ICI. Nagpapasalamat ako talaga sa ICI. I was finally given an opportunity to share my side of the story. So, mula sa ngayon po, it's about facts and evidence and hindi lang political noise or speculations. Kaya the ICI commissioners were able to ask me many questions and I was able to answer it. And I feel very, very happy and welcome this opportunity to share
So yung representative, ano pong tinulungan
well, the ICI will have resource persons invited here and we shall wait for the same.
Sir, do you think we should come back to Tagal?
Well, any resource persons who are invited here with respect to
Sir, may mga
Sir,
initiative pa
babalik po
kayong
kayo sa
pangalan?
commission? Sa ICI?
I'm ready to come back to the commission anytime I'm invited so that if I can share more information, I will do so.
Sir, meron po ba ng question and answer?
Huh?
Sir,
Speaker?
you want to release your salary?
I will do at the instance of the commission. So,
Sir, yung speaker, sir, meron po ba ng question and answer?
I'm not really
Sir, yung pong sinabi ng witness ni Senator Marcoleta, and if you'd like to comment yung DOE.
Well, the witnesses that were presented are discredited already for having presented falsified documents in the testimony, and their testimonies have already been denied by the.
But do you confirm po that he was part of your security?
He's not part of my security. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Kung nakakapagpunta kayo sa saldi ko.